Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Science for Young Minds with Marvit Education Center. This series is for Patom 3. Let's learn some vocabulary words. Alright, you will learn how to spell and pronounce some vocabulary words. Here are some important words for this lesson. Can you say them with me? 1. Brush. 2. Fruit. 3. Vegetables. 4. Floss. 5. Dentist. Please say the word with me. Brush. Let's say it again. Brush. B-R-U-S-H. Brush. That was fantastic. Can you say the word by yourself? Excellent. We should brush all our teeth properly after each meal. This helps to keep our teeth clean and our gums healthy. Can you read a sentence on your own? Wonderful! Let's learn another one. Please say the word with me. Fruit. Let's say it again. Fruit. F-R-U-I-T. Fruit. That was awesome. Can you say the word by yourself? Fantastic! We should eat more fruits and vegetables. Can you read a sentence on your own? Great! Let's learn another one. Please say the word with me. Vegetables. Let's say it again. Vegetables. V E G E T A B L E S. Vegetables. That was terrific. Can you say the word by yourself? Excellent! Fruits and vegetables contain vitamin C, which is good for our gums. Can you read a sentence on your own? Wonderful! Let's learn another one. Please say the word with me. Floss. Let's say it again. Floss. F-L-O-S-S. Floss. That was incredible. Can you say the word by yourself? Great job! We should floss our teeth every day. This helps to remove food trapped between our gums and teeth. Can you read a sentence on your own? Amazing! Let's learn another one. Please say the word with me. Dentist. Let's say it again. Dentist. D E N T I S T. Dentist. That was great. Can you say the word by yourself? Excellent. We should visit the dentist every 6 months to check if our teeth and gums are healthy. Can you read a sentence on your own? Amazing! In this lesson, you'll be able to understand the proper ways on how to take care of our teeth and why we need to eat healthy foods. Kindly get your science book and open it on page 40 to 41. There are so many ways on how to take care of your teeth. Can you give some? One way is brushing your teeth every after meals. Do you know why your parents tell you to brush your teeth after you eat? That's right. To keep cavities away, to remove plaque and bacteria. Good idea. Another way of taking care of our teeth is using a good kind of toothbrush. How often do you change your toothbrush? Magnificent! We should change our toothbrush every 3 months. Aside from brushing your teeth, what are other ways to clean your teeth? That's great! Another way to clean our teeth is to use dental floss every day. It helps to remove food trapped between our gums and teeth. Can you give me another example? All right. Another way to take care of our teeth is to eat fruits and vegetables. They are rich in vitamin C, which is good for our gums. Aside from that, avoid eating food rich in sugar, such as chocolates and cakes. Do you know why? Wonderful! Chocolates, cakes, or any food that are rich in sugar can cause tooth decay. Have you ever visited a dentist? How often do you visit a dentist? It is important to visit our dentist every 6 months to check if our teeth and gums are healthy. Please answer page 43 on your science book. Pals are here. Happy learning and see you in our next episode.